Sometimes you step outside and the sun is shining, and somebody doesn't want this table saw anymore, so maybe I'll get it to someone who needs it, or maybe it'll get recycled. We'll see either way. Way to go. It's little, but I'll take it. I know. It's full of ashes. That's all right. Let's go. Well, back at the scrapyard, got a load, and I've got more stories for you. We're going to get weighed in just a moment at the scale, or in Spanish, bascula. I'm going to turn off my motor. Maybe not. We'll see. So we got weighed in at about 9,200 pounds. This truck empty is about 8,000 pounds. So we'll see how we do. Man, the mountain of trash, the spray, and a whole lot going on today. Boy, this place is full today. Thank you. Man, wow. Got to clean the windshield, of course. Let's get our spot. All right, let's get started. Sunny day. See some of the usual suspects working here this morning. Breaking concrete, dirt, and don't fall, Grandpa. Today is my the birthday of my granddaughter. She turns 5 today, and Grandpa's got to hurry up and get this butt done and report to the birthday party. In fact, we're going to use this truck to block the street a little bit so the young ones don't get stuck in the way. Now, I showed you the videos earlier of picking up that red barbecue, and I think that table saw, but the last couple of days I was able to get some more stuff just from calls. You know, we build a customer list of helping people. They'll, again, it's all finding me on social media, Nextdoor app especially. Got this like, oh, dryer. Here you go, baby. Oh, gotcha. I don't think there's any quarters stuck in there. Man, this is like, this man's an accountant. He gave me his barbecue. Who knew? Big boom. Bye, Felicia. And this one was over by my mom's house. I was just cleaning up the neighborhood, this barbecue. Spring is coming, and I got a feeling people gonna be ordering new barbecues. Or at least going to Home Depot to go get another one. Woo! Get this one off, Gramps. Heck yeah. No, you're all right. No blood, no foul. Here's the one I found in the rain. Still got ashes in it. See you later. Poof. Table saw up and at him. Or not. Yeah, I didn't have time to take the motor off. That's okay. Like I told you guys, I don't have a lot of storage, so I just do the best I can. Bye. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Another dryer. No, I did not hear quarters in it. I think I'll go in this corner over here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Get some speed. Over the lumps and bumps. Make sure I don't go butt over tea kettle here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. There might be some quarters in there. Who knows? Okay. Big pipes. Boom. Boom, boom. More metal, more goodness. You can go. I'll go again. Here we go. All right. Washing machines are a little more heavy. They don't slide as much. But we work it just the same. Get to the edge, time for a swan dive. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Just boom. Kind of nice. One to grow on. Like it. All right. Okay, let's sweep it out, get weighed, get paid. Thanks for coming on this journey. All right, exactly like I said, 8,000. We were 92, so it should be right around 1,200. And fully clothed, I weigh 160 pounds. On to getting weighed, paid, and getting to the 5-year-old birthday party. Come on, Grandpa. Well, there you have it. Just like I said, 1,200 pounds, 195 gross ton. $105, not too bad, helping out in the community. Again, a lot of my contacts are from Nextdoor and other social media. Google my business page. Hey, catch me on the next video. It should be like, I don't know, that corner, some other corner. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.